Hey everyone, it's Larry at Ferralco here. It's after hours here, so I finally got some peace and quiet, and so I figured I would shoot a quick video here. I wanted to talk to you about the Volvo wheel loader instrument clusters for the D&E series wheel loaders and all the issues that are going on with them. So what goes wrong with them and how can you fix it? What happens with these wheel loaders is there's a non-communication error with the cluster, and so it kicks you right down into limp mode. Reduced function mode is the error that comes up and everything, so it knocks you right down into second gear. Production kind of grinds to a halt. There's not a lot you can do with it when this happens, and it's happening all the time. This covers all of the D&E series. So this particular one is from an L60E loader, but it's the 60s, the 80s, the 120s, 100s, whatever it is that you have of all of the D&E series loaders. If your instrument cluster looks like this, it's the same cluster and you're having those issues with it when something goes wrong with it. So we found out about these. Volvo actually got a hold of us. A field service tech for Volvo got a hold of us and said, can you please help us out? Can you figure out what's going on? Can you find a solution for us? Because at the time they weren't really supported by Volvo, these clusters. You can get replacements of these through Volvo now if you're quite rich. Let's just leave it at that. Or we can rebuild them for you as well too. So a much better solution. What happens, or what do you do if you have this issue? All you have to do is shoot it into us by mail, this cluster, or UPS or whatever. We have a 24-hour turnaround. So within 24 hours of receiving it, business days of course, we'll shoot it right back out the door. It'll be rebuilt and done and on its way back to you. With our standard shipping, you typically have it back in 2 to 4 days from the time we get it. So boom, you have it back then. If it's a big emergency, you can also pay for express shipping and have it back in, it's usually the next day within the continental US. You guys in Canada will probably have to wait another day or two beyond that, and depending on customs and all of that. And in Alaska, it might take a couple of extra days, of course. But otherwise, next day or 2 to 4 day if you use standard shipping. So go to our website, fixmyspeedo.com. fixmyspeedo.com or ferralco.com. Either one will take you to the same place. Right on the home page of the website, after you knock that annoying pop-up out of the way, just X out of that, there's a section on the home page about the Volvo portion of our business, repairing these clusters. You can learn about it there. You can click on that and then see what it costs to get done, what you want to get done, and place your order and all of that stuff if you want to. Also on the home page of the website, click on Order Info. Right across the top in the banner on the top, it says Order Info. And that'll pull up a 2-page sheet that you can print out. The first page gives you all the shipping instructions. The second page is for you to fill out and put in the box with your instrument cluster so that we know right where to ship it back to and everything like that. And that's all you got to do. Send it in to us. Within 24 hours, we have it rebuilt and shooting it back out to you. So if you have a Volvo D or E series wheel loader with that issue, or with any instrument cluster issue, no problem, send it in, we'll get it done. If you have questions about this, comment below this video, we'll get back to you. Or you can go on our website, click contact us for a direct email or message to us. We'll get back to you there as well quickly. Or you can call us. Our phone number is anywhere on the website as well, and depending where you're watching this video, it'll probably be below as well. But yeah, we'd be happy to help out any way we can. That's it. I'm going to call it a night. Have a good night, guys. Talk to you later.